Important news on the Chinese coronavirus, as well as an update on the current situation and when things are getting back to normal when it comes to workers in China and actually shipping products from China all the way to the whole world. If you run an e-commerce Shopify dropshipping business, this is clearly important for you and you need to stay updated. So let's go right now. And for today's student success story, we have Jishen right here, who just crossed $800 in a day shipping with US suppliers, not even dealing with China, shipping with US suppliers. If you're interested in how Jishen did this and how you can actually replicate those results, make sure to stay until the end of the video to schedule a free one-on-one strategy session with me or my team. And lastly, the winner of our Shopify store giveaway is going to be announced next week. If you want to win a fully built Shopify store ready and optimized to get sales and actually make you profit, make sure to comment automate. We teach people how to automate their Shopify business. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button. I will be picking somebody over the next 7 days. There are more than 20,000 people infected. If you want to stay up to date on the virus, there's a page called the Wuhan virus that I found and actually updates you on everything that you need to know about the actual virus, how many countries have it, all the different news that go about it. So you don't have to go like a crazy person all over the different news sites. They all update here, so you can know absolutely everything about it. And even though there's a lot of infected people and also a lot of people dying, especially in China and also in countries in Asia, the important thing that I wanted to talk to you about in this video is that the CDC, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention of the United States, has released official news on their frequently asked questions page about packages from China. So if you type in here, package or products shipping from China, and am I at risk from coronavirus from a package or product shipping from China? That's important for you as a seller. There's a lot that is still unknown about the new virus and how it spreads. The important thing to note is that the virus is related to the SARS virus, which is another virus that caused a massive epidemic in China, killed more than 700 people. They are genetically related and they have the same origin. So they're very, very similar viruses. While we don't know for sure that this virus will behave the same way, obviously they don't exactly know, they can't tell you that, but we can use the information from both of those viruses before, the SARS and MERS, which has been both outbreaks from China in general. Because of poor survivability of these viruses on surfaces, there is very likely a low risk of spread from products or packaging. Scientists and doctors in general are saying that the package or the virus cannot live on packages for more than a few hours. So the concern that a lot of people have of ordering products from China and thinking that they're gonna have the virus, this is not real. The CDC, the official Center for Disease Prevention of the United States, has said that it has a poor likelihood of actually being on the package and you are not going to get the virus from a package. Make sure if you are importing products from China and you're obviously telling the customers, hey, this product is coming from China, or the tracking number is saying that it's coming from China, that you educate your customers when it comes to their questions. When it comes to, hey, am I gonna get the virus from this? Some people are naturally going to have that question. Tell them that it's not possible, send them the page from the CDC and educate the customers about it. Another important thing is that also the first USA patient with the virus that actually got the virus from China is recovering and is already at home. So this is not as lethal or as deadly as a lot of people might think. So actually people are recovering very quickly, especially in first world countries. The guy even said, I am at home and continuing to get better. I asked the media, please respect my privacy and desire to not be in the public eye. So this is getting control in terms of being in the United States, Canada, Australia, and other first world countries, especially in Europe. It is being controlled and people are getting recovered pretty easily. So you do not have to worry on a health perspective. When it comes to workers and factories in China coming back from the actual migration or the Chinese New Year to back to work and to their factories and actually shipping those products out, most services like here, oberlo, for example, is saying the New Year holiday has extended until the 9th of February, and CJ Dropshipping basically the same. Customer service, dispute, sourcing teams are available right now, especially if you contact them through Skype, so they're available to do the customer service there, but the fulfillment team in China will not be starting until until February 9th. So on February 9th, everything is supposed to go back to normal and products are supposed to ship out to their places as soon as that starts. One important thing to note, I was talking to Udroppy, and their bulk sourcing team is giving priority to bulk shipments. So if you have a lot of orders, let's say you're planning to have a lot of orders moving forward after February 9th, it is important that you put a bulk sourcing request and you say how many. For example, we have almost 1,000 orders already ready to ship out after that, or products that were predicted to sell in the weeks after February 9th. If you're predicting to have a lot of orders after this point, or if you have a lot of orders now, it's important that you put a bulk sourcing request. They'll give priority to that and they'll be able to help you faster than all the other people that are just doing one by one sourcing requests and orders. The last important thing that I want to touch on this video is suppliers on AliExpress that ship from the United States. When you're looking for AliExpress suppliers in the United States, be very careful when you choose the United States option. I'm going to show you right now. If you go to United States, for example, let's say we're selling a pet bed or we have a dog store, a pet store, etc. I can put United States, and these are the suppliers that are shipping from the United States. Go to the actual page, so let's say it's this one, and then click on United States and see what happens when you click on United States. In this case, I'm going to click on United States and it says delivered via USPS to United States, estimated delivery 4 to 7 days. This typically means that they have a center and they have products available in the United States. There are other suppliers or other different listings that when you click United States, it's gonna say delivered via e-packet, delivered in 30 days, refund before the 20 something of February. So you actually get misled here because they're not actually coming from the United States, they're coming from China and they're telling you that it's coming from the United States. So there's no point in using them right now. There's point in using them later, and it's not really that ethical to put United States. So just be very careful. Obviously, we're dealing with a lot of suppliers here. Make sure to click on the page, go to United States, and then see what it says. In this case, for example, in this case, it says via seller's shipping method, United States, delivered before 2/17 or full refund. In this case, it is likely that this product is not in the United States, it is in China, and they're faking the address. This is what my supplier or my main agent told me, that when people say that they're gonna be delivered before a date, or they don't actually say USPS 4 to 7 days, if it does not say that, likely the product is not coming from the United States. So every single product that you are sourcing from the United States, just make sure that it says 4 to 7 days via USPS, and then you click on it and it says USPS 4 to 7 days tracking to the United States, and apply that. Make sure that you choose that option. If not, you will likely get misled and ship the product from China, not the United States or any other country if you are in Europe, Canada, etc. If you want to know how to find US based suppliers or all around the world so you don't have to deal with China and get results just like the student here, Jishen, who just crossed $800 in a single day, go and schedule an application call in the first link in the description for my automated e-commerce program. We teach you how to hire a team of people so you don't actually have to do it all yourself and actually go and try to find products and do the Facebook ads yourself, but actually hire a team of experts and use their skills for your business. Become a business owner, not a hustler, and actually build a very profitable Shopify store in 2020 and beyond. Go and schedule a strategy call with the first link in the description, and I will see you on the call. That's it for this video. For a more detailed view on how to find US and international suppliers, check this video right here. I created a video how to find US suppliers now that the virus is growing, and obviously how to not ship from China so you can still ship your products, get orders, and have other suppliers available. Check it out right here, right now. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, that like button, and I will see you in the next one.